Hey guys, so it's Carter who made like a few videos, and this time I'm doing my auntie ceiling fan, which is normally right by the door. So Alexa, turn off ceiling fan light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on ceiling fan light.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Alexa, turn on ceiling fan light.
Okay.
For some reason, I had to pull it. Yeah, now it's both lights. It's high. Normally, this thing can move it right now, which is, I don't know why, because you just can't move it. Yeah. And medium. Right now, these pull chains I brought these on, like, probably Auntie and Auntie Nikki's party or something like that. I brought one for Auntie Nikki, but she doesn't have it on her fan yet. Yeah, these are, I could say glass balls, but I don't remember the brand because we took the things off, and I'm not really sure if we have them still. Yeah. Too bad it's not on the motor right now, but it is in reverse. See the switch up there? Hold on, Alexa. Turn off ceiling fan light.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it in updraft right now. In reverse. So there's medium, low. So something that I really know that three pulls go to each speed. There's the low. Off. I'm gonna show you how it goes to each speed. For some reason I can reach it a little bit, but Auntie Nia cleaned it. But which is, I never knew that 3 pulls can go to each speed. Low. Some ceiling fans might work backwards. Hold on. Yeah, there it goes. On low. Get it to medium. So there's medium. High. And that's the end. Thank you for watching.